So if I have another while in here, y is less than 3, okay? Now you can see what's going to happen here is every time this loops, y is going to count to 3. And then it will check to see if it's 5. So I'm getting more complex here. Well, y counts to 2 because I said less than 3. But you can see this is x, y counts 1, 2. So it goes through this loop 3 times or 2 times, and then checks for the third. And then it goes to this. X is not equal to 5. And then it goes through. Each time that while loop happens until we get to x is equal to 5, then it breaks out of that loop. Program has ended. Okay, so we can start to envision some more complex patterns here, and you'll see each time that we have a block of code that's a while or an if inside a while or an if, that code block gets indented. You want to be really mindful and pay attention to how you indent things, because that will trip you up at first. That's a potential landmine in your code. But break allows us to exit that loop at any point. Okay.
I'm sorry, you're saying when we use the y that if they have to be indented under that, is that what you're saying? Am I clear on that? Or
If we have a block of code inside another block of code that's indented, then that block of code gets indented 2 spaces. So each time, if I have a while, its code gets indented another space from there. If I have an if, its code gets indented another space. The reason I'm spending time on that is because you will have to do that in today's or this week's assignment.